In this video, we're going to show you how to make a horseshoe photo frame. First of all, you'll need a shoe, and it's worth spending a bit of time cleaning this shoe. You should be able to get it from your farrier, an old shoe if you've got a pony, or if you haven't, ask at the riding stables where you ride and ask them if they've got any old shoes that they wouldn't mind you having. So what you need to do is to print out a photo of your pony, your favourite pony, and cut it out into a shape that will fit underneath the shoe without it sticking out to the side. Then you also need to cut out a piece of cardboard behind it that will hold it securely and solidly in place. And if you've got any, a bit of plastic of some kind to put over the front of the photograph, because it just gives it a bit of a sheen and gives it that professional look. And they all need to be cut out into a shape that will fit behind the horseshoe that you've got. Now this shoe is actually a hind shoe. I don't know if you can notice the quarter clips, and that actually helps with the plastic film fitting in place without it slipping down. So the first step is to position your plastic on the back of the shoe. Next, if you get your cardboard at the back and glue onto it your photograph of your pony. Then you'll need to get your split pins or butterfly clips, and then you can position your cardboard on the back of the shoe, which has got the picture of the pony behind it where you can't see it right now. And can you see where the split pins have been pushed through from the front of the shoe and through the nail holes, which are conveniently there to help us, and that will fix your cardboard and photograph and plastic all in place. Next, you want to cut a piece of string, and this is going to be how you hang up your shoe on the wall as a photograph. And then you can tie the string around your split pins, and this will on each side so that you can hook it onto the wall. And because the nail holes are unfortunately a bit low down on this particular shoe, we also then use some sellotape just to tape the string a bit higher up on the shoe so that when you hung it up it didn't tip forwards and it was nice and securely in place. And there you have your horseshoe photo frame. I can't wait to see all of yours, so make sure you post photos of them in the comments below.